Karma Guy here. Check out this 2015 Audi Q7 TDI Premium Plus Sport Utility. It's got a clean Carfax and an amazing dealer service history with 48 records. This SUV is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. Plus, when you buy, you can take advantage of our 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. It's been inspected, and we're offering peace of mind with a pre-purchase inspection because we know that buying a car is a big decision. Remember, any price reductions or discounts will void its CPO status and warranty, so make sure you're getting the full value. You can even upgrade the CPO warranty at the time of sale at a discounted rate. Invest in quality. This Audi is ready to take you anywhere.